Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, lived a small bird named Nightingale. She was known for her beautiful, enchanting melody that could soothe even the saddest heart. One day, Nightingale noticed a young rabbit who was very sad. He had lost his way and was far from home. Nightingale flew over to him and sang a sweet song. The rabbit listened, and the melody filled his heart with hope. "Follow the sound of my song," said Nightingale. "It will lead you home." The rabbit closed his eyes and listened. He felt a sense of peace and followed the music. Soon, he found his way back home. Nightingale continued her journey through the forest, spreading joy and hope with her melodies. She was always there, helping others whenever they needed. One night, a little boy named Timmy was scared and lost in the forest. He heard a beautiful melody, and it comforted him. Timmy followed the sound, and he too found his way home. He was so grateful to the unknown bird that had helped him. The next day, Timmy went to the forest and saw Nightingale. He thanked her for her help and asked, "Who are you?" "I am Nightingale," she replied. "I am here to help anyone who needs it." From that day on, Timmy visited Nightingale every day. He learned about the forest, the animals, and the magic of her melodies. The end of the story reminds us that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. And the music of a simple bird can bring hope and happiness to those in need. So, when you're feeling lost or scared, just listen closely. You never know, you might just hear a nightingale singing her melody.